Hi, I'm Officer Jeffrey Lopes with the Bureau of Community Engagement. Today we're at Teach Me to Fish cooking series at the Hawthorne Community Center. The Lindsay Foundation reached out to the Bureau of Community Engagement and the Boston Police Activities League to foster a relationship in the community in honor of Lindsay Liu. They wanted to create a program that allowed young people to learn about cooking and healthy lifestyles. Through this partnership, we've been able to engage with young people, showing them that there is ways that they can eat healthy without spending a lot of money on junk food.
Family cook together, stay together. It really also is one another value we want to enhance. Hopefully, bring the kids here with the parents and cooking together, have fun.